ALGON held on 28 March 2024 on some urgent emerging issues. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, today we are gathered to address a matter of utmost importance regarding the Association of Local Government in Nigeria, ALGON. It has come to our attention that one Mr. Alabi Kolade David, the chairman of Bariga Development Area, who had falsely assumed the position of national president of ALGON for the past 4 years, has been holding meetings with some 5 local government chairmen of councils across the country with the aim of legitimizing his further stay or wrongly and unconstitutional purported, let me take it again, it is instructive to let the public know that since Mr. Alabi wrongfully claimed the office of the presidency of ALGON, has been emerged in series of court cases. Thus, any activities carried out by any of the parties in the name of ALGON until the final determination of the cases is null and void. In the interim, the trustee BOT of ALGON, as mandated by the ALGON Constitution, mandates trustee to hold and carry out responsibilities and oversees the affairs of ALGON. It is also enshrined in the ALGON Constitution that the registered Board of Trustees are charged with the conduct of elections into leadership within the shortest period of time. It is crucial to highlight that legal recourse has been sought and a federal high court in Abuja to address the grievous situation. The court judgment is being awaited, and as the registered trustee of ALGON, we will continue to restrict our constitutional responsibilities while awaiting pronouncement of the court. We urge all stakeholders to remain vigilant and steadfast in upholding the sanctity of our democratic process. ALGON, as a vital component of our governance structure, must operate within the confines of the law with leadership duty elected from the grassroots level. Let it be known that any attempt to subvert the principle of democracy will be met with resolute actions as we remain committed to uphold the rule of law and presenting the integrity of our democratic institutions. We therefore invite Inspector General of Police, the DG, DSS, and other security agencies to curb the exercise of Alabi Kolade Davis to avoid heating up the polity. Thank you all. God bless you.
It is clear for us to let you know that the information we gathered, though we are not there, is that the said impostor, Kolade Alabi, has gathered 5 chairmen in a hotel room trying to transfer power to one of them. We are surprised because we know the matter is in the court. 1. 2, he is the 8th defendant in that matter. And we are all hopeful that the judgment is coming up on 30th day of April. We are staying, today is about March 29th. Next coming month, we're expecting the judgment. But him hurriedly trying to transfer power, I want to let the public know that anything Alabi does, as far as I'm concerned, I'm not going to talk on that because it's sub judice, that they should know that the BOT of ALGON has now stepped in to make sure we did not create vacuum. There is no any vacuum of leadership in ALGON. The Secretary General is here. We will mandate him to run affairs of ALGON while we are waiting for the judgment of the court, where we gather together to conduct election that will reflect the constitution of ALGON. It is also key to know that he has no powers to do what he's doing today. One, he's not a local government chairman. He doesn't collect allocation in his own local government, but he will sit down and preside over allocation of other local governments. It is a sacrilege. It's just like somebody who is not a judge coming to be the chief judge of Nigeria. It has not happened anywhere. Or somebody who is not a police officer coming to be the Inspector General of Police. That is the situation we get ourselves now. Somebody who is not a local government chairman that fall under the constitution of ALGON, 774 local government, is coming to claim. That's why we refuse that he has not been a president of ALGON. He cannot be. That's why we are challenging him. And as he has imposed himself to be the president, we must challenge him to the last court of this country to prove him wrong, because you can't change the constitution of Nigeria. We have 774 in the constitution. If ALGON is added, it's now 775. So to me, why we are here today is to prove to you people, the press, the court is a hope of a common man. We want to also prove to you and show you the certificate of BOTs of ALGON. We will avail you with a copy so that you can see the people who are legitimate BOT of ALGON. There are some people who is claiming that they are BOT, but I also want you to interface with them and show you how they are the BOTs of ALGON. So we'll speak more because this matter is in the court. Let's hope and believe that the court will do the needful. Thank you. God bless you.
Court, it is normal to wait for the judgment. However, the reason why we are here today is to alert the people of Nigeria that already there is one Alabi, Kolade David, whose matter is in the court. The BOT and the IMC president have entered a matter in court to interpret the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to note what is the composition of the 774 local governments. We know that Kolade David Alabi is a chairman of Bariga Development Area Council. Bariga is a ward and not a local government. So we need that interpretation. Everybody knows the number of the local government is 774. If you Google, you will see, but you will never find Bariga as a local government. And that is why in all elections that have been taking place, there is nowhere when you are reporting Lagos State, local government by local government, you will not find Bariga reporting. But Bariga will come under a local government. So it is wrong. It is an aberration of the Constitution for someone to call himself president of ALGON. ALGON, from the name, connotes Association of Local Governments of Nigeria. That is the 774 local government coming together, and not Bariga. Bariga is a child of a local government. However, since he has been parading himself, that it got to a point where, knowing fully that the matter is in court, and he is taking an action to preempt what the court may determine, because conscience may have come to him, and he has no power. One, he does not belong to the 774 local government. So he doesn't have the locus to stand and even think of doing anything, whether transferring power, whether taking decisions, whether making pronouncements on behalf of ALGON. It is a nullity. It does not suffice. It does not suffice. However, the court, in its judgment that is coming, will make a clearer pronouncement. So, we are coming to stand and to tell Nigerians as BOT, we are the conscience of ALGON. We are the guide of ALGON. Since there is a perceived vacuum in the last, because it's a tussle, so the BOT that is registered have now stepped in to assuage an unforeseen circumstance that will possibly cause commotion in the polity. As conscience of ALGON, we are here to ensure that ALGON stabilizes and regains focus by doing what we have been empowered in the Act of Association of ALGON to conduct elections, to reprimand, to guide, and to set a tone for a smooth and a sustainable leadership that will be from the top to the bottom. Because the 774 are representatives of over 200 million Nigerians. So as conscience of the party, we have to do that which is right by ensuring that we support the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in stabilizing the country and giving direction through this outlet, which is ALGON. That is why we are here. Thank you.
I represent the Southeast Geopolitical Zone.